My name is John Cook. My friends call me Johnny. I just come out of the Home Depot store. I bought some more cedar fence boards, $3.97. You can use one board to make this really great little night light, this light box. It takes less than one board to make. It's soft, it's easy to make, and it has glass drops in it to distribute the light, and it has fairy lights inside. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Of course we have to remove the staples. Then it's time to plane the boards. The boards are pretty rough. If you don't take and run them through a planer, a block plane, or do a lot of sanding, it doesn't bring out the real color in the cedar. So we really need to start by planing the boards and making them smooth. I use a thickness planer from the lab in Mesa, Arizona. I've never used one before. I thought it was pretty exciting. I would take and do the high side of the board first, and then I would turn, flip it over, and do the flat side. It really works great. I suppose you could do this with a hand block plane or a lot of sanding if you really wanted to. Of course, it's easier to use the DeWalt thickness planer with the long boards, but it really does help if you take and separate the boards into two pieces. Follow the cut list. It's pretty straightforward. Make a few extra pieces and get them all taped up. The blue tape is really a handy tool. It keeps breakouts from occurring. The cedar's pretty soft, so it splinters pretty easy, but that blue tape really helps do the job. Well, we're ready to untape. We got plenty of pieces, so if we spoil some, we're ready to go. Now is a good time either to buy a stencil on Amazon, use your laser engraver to engrave the top, or use your silhouette machine to make a vinyl mask and paint the top. You can see by the picture the black dots. That's where I chose to drill the holes for the glass drops. You can see my practice piece here. I drilled lots of holes and I sort of developed it. The large holes are 7/8 of an inch, and then the through hole is 3/4. These abrasive brushes are perfect to use with your Dremel. They're about an inch in diameter, but you can take and push them through the hole and it'll take and radius both sides of the hole on the board. So I think that's probably a pretty good thing to tell you to do. The cedar is kind of soft. It's really hard to drill the holes. You have to have a backup piece under the wood, otherwise it'll break out. But I think if you take your time and you're very careful, you'll probably end up with a pretty good job. As you can see, we're just putting glue on the inside faces. When you're done gluing, the glue will actually get sort of sticky, and you can take and pre-assemble it and then put it in the glue fixture. The glue fixture will hold the box square, so when you glue it, it'll be square, and when it dries, it'll be square, so it's all ready then for the top. The sanding board is really easy to make, and you can use it to sand the top and bottom edges before you install the top and the bottom. But you're going to use this sanding board, if you make one, you're going to use this over and over and over. The glass drops are pretty easy to install. You put the curved side towards the outside of the box and then put a couple of drops of hot glue on it, and you're all done. Now you turn the box over and you can install the fairy light after you put a small groove in the box for the cord to come out. Install the bottom with 4 Phillips head screws. Put the vinyl feet on the bottom and install the bottom. Plug it in and you're all set. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And remember, the plans to build this unique light box are on the What's New Johnny website. So go on the website and you can download the plans.